dates back to 1987, when the contract for the construction of 51 kilometers railway
of freight annually that will
for his absence at this event.
Necessary for long-lasting service in this difficult terrain.
After abandonment for 30 years, Presido Buhari don inaugurate the 326-kilometer Itakpe-Ajaokuta-Warri rail line for commercial operation. Niger Presido Muhammadu Buhari don inaugurate the 326-kilometer Itakpe-Ajaokuta-Warri rail line, wey dem been abandon for over 30 years now. He inaugurates the ancillary facility work design for the Goodluck Jonathan Railway Complex, wey dey Agbo for Owa Oyibo wey dey Delta State. For the opening wey him do online, Presido Buhari tell the Federal Ministry of Transportation to link all Niger ports of origin and destination, Apapa, Tinkan, Warri, One, and Calabar ports to the rail network, make it for fit improve transportation and grow the economy.
This infrastructure and maximize the benefits that could be derived from it, which is readily available at their doorsteps. I urge other sectors who will be beneficiary.
Presido Buhari talk say dem name 11 railway stations and railway villages after some ogbonge Naija people, and one of them na the Goodluck Jonathan Railway Complex wey dem dey inaugurate so. He talk say as operation wan start for the Itakpe-Ajaokuta-Warri rail line so, na 1 million passengers e dey carry yearly and approximately 3.5 million tons capacity of freight wey dey service of tankers. Presido Buhari congratulates Minister of Transportation Honorable Rotimi Amechi and him team as dem take successfully complete the project. He still salutes the host communities for their patience as they wait for over 30 years for the project to complete.
Will continue within the limit of our resources to judiciously and industry towards the realization of consistent and sustainable economic growth. At this juncture, I hereby commission and declare
Your Excellency, the Honorable Minister for Transport, Honorable Minister. Let me, on behalf of the government and people of Edo State, congratulate our President on this feat of completing.
Edo State Governor Obaseki congratulate Presido Buhari for the project wey he complete so, as he talk say this one a good way to mark Nigeria's 60th independence celebration.
It is quite fortuitous that a few days to our 60th anniversary, independence anniversary of the country, our President has achieved this feat in completing a critical infrastructure required for our development in this country and in our region. We are excited that you have a few stops which have been completed, and as a government, we are going to be working with you to ensuring that we utilize this infrastructure.
Obaseki can tell Ministry of Transportation to carry the rail line enter industrial park of Benin City, as this one will help the quick movement of goods go northern part of Nigeria.
That they work with us as a state to extend this line to the industrial park, which we have commenced construction in Benin City, so that we can freight things we produce from that park into this line into the northern part of the country.
Excellency Muhammad Buhari, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who is joining us via live stream. Mr. President, on behalf of the government and the good people of Delta State, I salute your statesmanship, your candor, and bipartisan approach to governance. It is gratifying that the project has finally come to fruition.
Delta State Governor Itakpe-Ajaokuta-Warri salutes Presido Buhari for his bipartisan method of governance. As he say, na something of pride and joy, say them complete the project on time.
Our very honorable former president and great patriot, Dr. Goodluck Jonathan. We are also excited as a people because this rail line has strong potentials for stimulating socio-economic activities and bringing succor to low-income earners. In the post-COVID-19 era, where governments all over the world are looking for ways and means to rebound their economies, this project has the capacity to kickstart new small-scale businesses, support existing ones, and rejuvenate the rural economy. Indeed, our people are eagerly looking forward to passengers. Finally, it is imperative that the federal government, in collaboration with the states, provides adequate security cover for this rail line corridor. People will be encouraged to patronize the train services if they feel safe, secure, and protected.
He tells federal governments to collaborate with state governments to provide obonge security for the rail line corridor. Minister of Transportation Honorable Rotimi Amechi talks that the project they fully funded by Niger government and say 8 out of the 10 stations they south-south region for the country. He said the project be start for 1987, but other administrations abandoned them since then, and our Presido Buhari administration now come make sure say he gets head. Now here we see this obonge informate reach on top with Tori for today. As Presido Buhari don inaugurate the 326-kilometer Itakpe-Ajaokuta-Warri rail line, where they been abandoned for over 30 years. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Na carry this obonge informate come give una. My name na Edo Hoho Edoleyi from Agbo, Delta State.